Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 9, that is volcanoes, earthquake and tsunami. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about the long question answer or answer the following questions from exercise. That is question number C. All the other question answers we had discussed already. Now today we are going to discuss about question number C. Answer the following questions. So question number 1. How is the intensity of an earthquake decided on a Richter scale? How is the intensity of an earthquake decided on a Richter scale? The answer is the numbers on this scale, that is Richter scale, ranges from 1 to 10. Okay, and the earthquakes below 6 are mild. The earthquake below 6 are considered as moderate and mild, and above 6 is considered as severe. So this is how we are measuring magnitude of an earthquake or intensity of an earthquake on this Richter scale. Next question number 2. What are the different kinds of volcanoes? How do they differ from each other? What are the different kinds of volcanoes and how do they differ from each other? So the different kinds of volcanoes are: number 1, active volcano; number 2, dormant volcano; and number 3, extinct volcano. So comes number 1, active volcano. The different: active volcano, active and may erupt in any time or have erupted in recent past. Means these volcanoes are active and may erupt at any time. Anytime it may erupt, lava comes out from that volcano, or it may have erupted in recent past, maybe 1 year ago or maybe 2 years ago it has already erupted. Now comes the next question, that is number 2, dormant volcanoes. Not erupted in a long time but may erupt in the future. These volcanoes, that is dormant, means sleeping volcanoes or those who are sleeping or quiet. So this is called the dormant volcano. These volcanoes are not erupted in recent past but may erupt in the future. Not erupted in a long time but may erupt in the recent future. So this type of volcanoes are called dormant volcanoes. Now comes the number 3, that is extinct volcanoes. Not erupted for thousands of years, the erupting activities are completely subsided. So this is what is called a extinct volcano. Now comes the question number 3. What is tsunami? How does it cause damage? So tsunami, it is a tsunami, that is a Japanese word, means harbor wave, is a huge wave 100 feet, okay, 100 feet in the ocean, caused due to undersea earthquake, volcanic eruption, undersea landslides, etc. So this is what is a tsunami is. Now comes how it caused damage to humans or how it caused damage. So the powerful, fast and huge wave of water, the powerful, fast and huge wall of water or wave of water causes a great damage to the people and property near coastal areas. These tsunamis are very fast, very powerful and very huge wall of water, and when we hit the coastal areas, they destroys whatever comes in their ways. Now comes the question number 4. What are the focus and epicenter of an earthquake? So focus, the point under the ground, where the vibrations originate is called the focus of the earthquake. The point where the point under the ground where the vibrations originate is called the focus of the earthquake. Now comes the epicenter. The point on the Earth's surface directly above the focus. The point on the Earth's surface directly above the focus is called epicenter. Now comes question number D. Define the following terms. So number 1, active volcano. So these volcanoes are active and may erupt anytime or have erupted in recent past. Example, Mount Vesuvius, Mount Fuji and Mount Erebus are some active volcanoes. This is the definition of active volcano. Now comes the dormant volcanoes. These volcanoes that have not erupted in a long time but may erupt in the future. Example, Chile, Sitik and Alaska. These are the dormant volcanoes. Now comes the extinct volcano. An extinct volcano is one that has not erupted for thousands of years. The erupting activities are completely subsided here. Example is Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania and Mount Agniont in New Zealand. Now comes the next question, that is higher order thinking skills HOTS. Number 1, how does an earthquake affect the transport and communication system? The answer is the earthquake also cause landslides and fires, and they disrupt the transport and communication system. Now comes number 2, how are the volcanic activities on the earth useful for natural resources? The answer, usefulness of volcanic activities on the earth. And number 1, land formation. Lava cools down and form new land, which is also very fertile land. Next comes the raw material. Lot of minerals comes on the surface of earth like sulfur, copper and gold also. From the lava, these minerals comes on the surface and we get benefited by this. So these are the benefits of volcanic eruption. So class, I hope you are able to understand this question answers well. If any problem, ask me class, I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.